So what is the importance of recording your professional development? Why do it? So in the present day, so thinking about just us as teachers today, while you might have a head teacher who says, oh, Moses, can you tell me whether you've hit this teaching standard? A lot of countries have different teaching standards. We talk about the Cambridge International Standards here at Teach2030 and how our courses help you to hit those. And your teacher, you might have a head teacher who asks you about the teaching standards. So it can provide evidence today and here and now. It also shows that you are motivated and willing to learn. If your head of department comes up to you and says to you, listen, Shabangi, can you prove that you're motivated as a teacher, and you can show a record of your professional development. In the future, it also is a great way of showing future employers that you are organised and that you have a clear outline of your interests and capabilities of a teacher. And it's useful to reflect on what you've learned and document evidence of your studies for further education courses.